welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a wig review from FREETRESS.com. No, FREETRESS did not send this wig. I bought these wigs with my own coins. So the wig today is from FREETRESS.G, and it's called the Baby Hair 102 Lace Front Wig. And this is her care card right here. Go ahead, eat it up. Now the color that I have is a number 2. As you guys know, care cards give you instruction on how to take care, how to style, and this, that, and the third. So this wig does come with baby hairs. Alright, so this is her right here. Like I said, this is color number 2. Y'all look at this mother freaking hair. Yo, this look like mother freaking human hair, bro. Like, for real. I think this is literally the best looking hair I've ever got. Like, I've ever bought. So this wig is $30.99, which is really affordable. FREETRESS, I don't really mess with FREETRESS because I want them to start sending me wigs, because I buy wigs from them like left and right. When I first started off, I bought like 5 wigs at a time, and they still not, you know, catching up with the train. But they have fast shipping. If you order Friday, or if you order between Monday and Friday before 5 p.m., your hair ships that same day. And it usually takes me 2 days to get my wigs, if that, 1 day. So anyway, back to the wig. This is the wig right here, y'all. It's like a loose wave. I'm feeling every inch of it, baby. It looks like it's like a 24, 26 inch wig, y'all. Like, this is her straight out the pack. As you can see, the curl patterns, like I said, it's like a wavy big barrel curl like type deal. Like, it's freaking gorgeous. Now it does have a 5-inch deep part, as you can see right there. I don't even think I need to pluck it. Look, bro, that part is nice. I'm not gonna pluck it. I'm literally just gonna probably put powder in it. And this is the baby hairs. This is why it's called baby hairs. Let me get up close and personal so y'all can see. So y'all can't really see. It has little pieces of baby hairs right here along it. This is all the lace you get right here around the perimeter where the baby hairs are, and then you get that one center part. You do have 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, you know what I'm saying? Normal cap construction. We go over this all the time. So I'm going to stop rambling, and I'm just going to go ahead and put her on and show y'all how gorgeous she looks. But y'all, just look. Bro, what? And also, if you like this wig right here, this is a purple wig, and I did do a review on it the other day, so it'll be either linked right here or it'll be linked down below, or just search my channel and you'll find it. And this is the Diana wig. So go ahead and check it out if you're feeling this color, if you're liking it or whatever. So yeah. I haven't brushed through it or anything like that. As you can see, the hair is really pretty, and I love this curl, barrel curl, wavy. I really don't know how to express this, but it's really freaking pretty. I'm gonna brush it and see how it reacts. A little bigger, but the pattern is still in there. I am noticing that I am getting just a tiny bit of shedding, just a small amount. However, it is tangling up. I can say that, so be mindful of that if you decide to purchase this wig. So as you can see, one side right here I brushed it through, and the other side is not, because the curls are more like defined. But I mean, to each his own. So this is all of the hair to the front. Is big luscious curls. Like, it's so freaking pretty, yo, and it's so long, bro. Like, super long. And this is the hair to the side. And in the back. much body this hair got. It got so much body. I really think that this hair is like a virgin hair, Brazilian hair do. So yeah, it's just pretty. Like I feel like, look, I look like a Barbie doll. You know what I'm saying? Like a Barbie doll. Like, come on now. I look like a straight up Barbie doll right now. But my ear is poking out. But that's besides the point. However, okay, y'all. So yeah, this is basically the end of my video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Comment, like, and subscribe to your girl, me. And I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.